Synthesia Enterprise. Is this AI training video production worth it? So Synthesia Enterprise is an AI-powered training video creation platform that lets companies produce presenter-style videos at scale without cameras, actors, or studio setups. It's designed for large teams that need consistent, fast, and professional training content. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it is fast and has a scalable video production. It offers professional AI presenters. It is easy for non-editors and even has a multilingual support. It also offers consistent branding, which allows brand kits, and has a secure and enterprise-friendly, offering a corporate environment. Now for the cons though, they have an AI look and still feel noticeable. Even with premium avatars, some facial movements and lip syncs can still appear synthetic, like what you can see right here. It is very looking like an AI created or generated platform. And it also has a limited customization compared to real videos. It offers higher costs for enterprise features as well, and it's not ideal for highly sensitive topics. So overall, Synthesia Enterprise is worth it if your company regularly produces training videos and needs speed, consistency, and multilingual scalability. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications